Galaxy Adventure Cake, a stunning black cake with edible glitter and marbled patterns in cosmic colors like deep purples, blues, and pinks, reminiscent of a far-off galaxy. Steampunk Delight Cake, an intricate cake featuring gears, cogs, and Victorian-inspired patterns, combining the charm of steampunk with the deliciousness of cake. Tropical Paradise Cake, a vibrant cake with layers of exotic fruit fillings, topped with edible palm trees, hibiscus flowers, and fondant toucans, celebrating the beauty of the tropics. Zen Garden Cake, a serene cake with a Japanese Zen garden theme, using edible sand, rocks, and a tiny fondant pagoda to create a peaceful and tranquil setting. Underwater Wonderland Cake, dive into an underwater adventure with a cake decorated with edible coral, seashells, and fondant sea creatures, showcasing the beauty of the ocean. Geode Gemstone Cake, a mesmerizing cake with a geode-inspired design, using colorful rock candy crystals and edible metallic accents to create the appearance of sparkling gemstones. Enchanted Garden Cake, a multi-tiered cake adorned with delicate sugar flowers, cherries, and tiny edible leaves, creating a whimsical and magical garden theme. Art Deco Elegance Cake, a sophisticated cake featuring intricate Art Deco patterns and metallic accents, reminiscent of the glamour of the 1920s. Music Lovers Melody Cake, a cake designed like a musical note or a grand piano, with edible music sheets and fondant musical instruments, perfect for a music lover's celebration. Vintage Travel Cake, a suitcase-shaped cake decorated with edible travel stamps, a world map, and tiny fondant landmarks from around the globe, perfect for travel enthusiasts. Broadway Showstopper Cake, a cake showcasing the glitz and glamour of Broadway, featuring edible musical instruments, theater masks, and spotlights. Nautical Adventure Cake, a cake designed like a pirate ship, with edible treasure chests, waves, and pirate flags, taking you on a high-seas adventure. Chinese Dragon Boat Cake, a dragon boat-shaped cake with edible dragon figures and paddlers, capturing the excitement of traditional dragon boat festivals. Egyptian Pharaoh Cake, a majestic cake resembling an ancient Egyptian pharaoh, adorned with hieroglyphics and regal embellishments. Magical Potion Lab Cake, a laboratory-inspired cake with bubbling cauldrons, magical ingredients, and spellbooks, perfect for wizardry-themed occasions. Sweet Carousel Horse Cake, a carousel horse-shaped cake decorated with sugar flowers, ribbons, and intricate detailing, inspired by vintage carousels. Sci-Fi Cybernetic Cake, a futuristic cake with robotic elements, neon accents, and glowing LED lights, appealing to sci-fi enthusiasts and tech lovers. Farmyard Friends Cake, a charming cake featuring adorable edible farm animals like pigs, cows, and chickens, bringing a touch of the countryside to your celebration. Magical Bookshelf Cake, a cake shaped like a bookshelf, stacked with edible books, potions, and magical trinkets, ideal for literature lovers and fantasy-themed parties. Steampunk Airship Cake, an airship-shaped cake with metallic gears and propellers, combining the charm of steampunk aesthetics with the delight of cake. Tribal Tattoo Cake, a cake decorated with intricate tribal tattoo-inspired patterns, using edible ink to create a bold and artistic design. Haunted Mansion Cake, a spooky mansion-shaped cake adorned with edible cobwebs, bats, and ghostly figures, creating an eerie atmosphere perfect for Halloween. Carnival Carousel Cake, a carousel-themed cake with rotating layers, colorful horses, and carnival-themed elements like cotton candy and popcorn. Retro Arcade Cake, a cake designed like a vintage arcade cabinet, featuring edible pixelated characters and classic arcade game graphics. Whimsical Tea Party Cake, a whimsical cake resembling a teapot, teacup, and saucers, embellished with edible tea party essentials like sugar flowers and fondant tea bags. Vintage Camera Cake, a camera-shaped cake decorated with edible vintage camera details, perfect for photography enthusiasts or milestone celebrations. Enchanted Forest Night Cake, a dark blue cake adorned with luminescent edible mushrooms, fairies, and woodland creatures, evoking the magic of an enchanted forest at night. Space Odyssey Cake, a tiered cake featuring hand-painted planets, rocket ships, and astronaut figurines, taking you on a cosmic journey through the universe.